Jake on the fence. Tell him like it is, Jake. Serious face. He's the last one left. We had a few of them. Jake is bucking at the cat. I'm trying to. The cat's like. That's Stormy. I saved Stormy's life. She was a baby, and after a long storm, I didn't even know there was a baby out here. She was just barely alive, so I had to take her in the house and feed her until she got big enough to throw her back out. Jake's got his broken wing. Look at his wing hanging. He got hit with a BB gun, I think, or something. What's this guy doing behind me? He's getting tired because I didn't push him. He's kicking his legs. Oh, Leo, I didn't push you? Dad didn't push you? Hello. Say hi to John. These are all John videos. Hello, Bubba. He getting tired. Mosquitoes getting you when you ain't swinging? Uh-oh. Mama gonna get mad at me if you get a mosquito bite. He's about ready. He's about ready to go in. We've been out here for a while. Every morning, same thing. Me, the cat, Stormy, Jake, Leonardo, and me. Alright, John, I'll talk to you later, buddy.